Sierra Madre, and we love playing outside. Since we started, our mission has been to create comfort in the wild and enable you to experience an elevated life of adventure every day. When it comes to staying warm in the wild, there are so many options. Sleeping bags, top quilts, underquilts, blankets. So I got to thinking, what if we built one product that did all of this? We call it Puffle, a 3-in-1 adventure blanket inspired by the textures, materials, and cozy comfort of your favorite puffy jacket. Use it as a high-performance blanket, an underquilt or a top quilt, and a sleeping bag. It's even linkable so you can connect multiple Puffles together for widespread warmth. Puffle adapts to your environment and takes you from the couch to the woods, from a tent to a hammock, from a late-night movie to an early morning climbing session. Puffle brings the comfort of your home with you as you traverse life's adventures from the inside out. And here's how it works. When you're chilling in your hammock, you can toast your tushy with an instant underquilt. Just hook the loops and clip it to your hammock suspension. Use a second Puffle to heat your hammies up top. Just snap it together, cinch up the footbox, and you've got yourself a toasty top quilt. Or when you're in a tent, snap the entire Puffle together to roast your rump in a snuggly sleeping bag. And when you're binging Netflix with your friends, snap multiple Puffles together to make a giant blanket. Boom, king-size cuddle party. So what makes it different? The hottest feature on the Puffle are our draft collars. We put them on the top and the bottom. That means no holes when you cinch up that footbox. It may seem simple, but here's the other guys. And here's the Puffle. We designed the Puffle with the same high-tech materials we've come to love in our other elite products, like breathable, weather-resistant HydroShield fabric. It's so irresistibly silky smooth that even this gruff mountain man can't get enough. And it's crafted with the same life-tested durability you've come to expect from Sierra Madre. The Puffle comes in your choice of water-resistant goose down or synthetic insulation, providing comfy warmth down to about 40 degrees. The down Puffle weighs in at just over a pound, and the included compression sack keeps it small so you can take it along on all of life's journeys. And for every one Puffle sold, we provide clean drinking water for a person who needs it in Central America. Pretty rad, right? We've ironed out the details, secured our manufacturing slot, and we're ready to start sewing. All we need is you. So if you ever sleep in a bed or a hammock, maybe a tent, or even a couch, and you like being warm instead of cold, then grab the Puffy Puffle, or maybe 4 of them. Join us here on Kickstarter to be one of the first to experience the cozy comfort of Puffle.
We are Boundary. After months of collaborating with our community, our team is back with a streamlined, everyday carry backpack comprised of unbeatable value, quality, and innovation. The Errant pack's technical design breaks the mold of how an affordable EDC enhances your daily rhythm. The Errant's sleek and minimal design adapts to suit the active, the creative, and those looking to get lost. Endless pocketing and modular components allow you to securely organize everything so you can effortlessly access anything. The exterior is a blend of Duramax Codra, Hypalon, and Boundary's Barricade DWR, keeping water, stains, and dust at bay. Waterproof zippers safeguard organized pockets for quick and fluid access while on the move. At the base of the pack, a 6-liter wet-dry compartment keeps unwanted odors or moisture separated from the Errant's interior. A water-resistant workspace safely stores a 17-inch laptop and a 13-inch tablet with an RML strap. Gusseted high-performance mesh pockets expand and contract for adaptable storage when you need it most. A pack designed to carry just about everything, constructed from fabric meant to go everywhere, with a fit and level of comfort for everyone. As always, the Errant will be manufactured using Blue Sign materials and factories, guaranteeing that you acquire a sustainable product. So please support our campaign.
sea, glaciers, rivers, lakes. Unpredictable rains make the Earth a watery place. This has inspired us to design a backpack pushing current limits. We dreamed up something functional, completely waterproof, yet with a design that would fit any outdoor activities and look just as good in a business meeting. One backpack is not only waterproof, but will float with quick-drying materials to allow you to go straight to work after a swim at the lake. You won't need to worry anymore about your computer, tablet, or phone staying dry and protected, even in the worst weather conditions. We began by researching existing solutions in the current market, but couldn't find anything to satisfy our needs, so we accepted the challenge and started designing. Finding the right solution to erase the barrier between a technical pack and a fashion bag. We're proud to introduce to you the ultimate monsoon-proof cycling on water RIVIERA backpack. The fabric is ballistic tarpaulin, made to be the most water-resistant material and to stay strong for a lifetime. Shoulder straps are ergonomically designed with top-grade EVA to keep you completely dry and offering the most comfort. Our RIVIERA pack is the right solution for your contemporary working life, considering urban jungle challenges, global travels, and an active life of sports. The bag comes with a detachable laptop case, mobile holder, and extra capacity straps. The laptop case has special internal shock-absorbing pockets that fit iPad, mobile, chargers, USB, and more. The mobile holder has an easy-access zippered pocket to store your credit cards. 20 features and 11 functional pockets between the main compartment and accessories are designed to hold all of your gear. The stitch and zip-free main compartment makes the bag extra watertight. The back EVA design maximizes air ventilation. Internal isolation panel ensures heat isolation with innovative materials, keeping your back sweat-free even on the hottest day. A removable sternum strap helps to carry your heaviest load. The orange clip is also a security whistle. Each strap has its own strap keeper to maintain a minimalist look without any loose hanging parts. 3 different closings: urban roll-up, sailing sack mode, or floating mode. Fits any of your needs. Easy access front pockets are designed to fit book or tablet on land, while on water will separate your wet gear from the main compartment. Its specially designed fast dry ventilation holes help dry your wet clothes faster than any other bag. Side handles offer extra storage for a wet, sandy towel, or extra clothing layers. A detachable computer case is specifically designed to be 360 degrees, shock absorbing, waterproof, and can keep your high-tech tools safe and protected. First impressions count, and RIVIERA will fit your most important occasions. A back hidden pocket is perfect for passport or valuables. We just want you to fear less and trust more, embracing your business without boundaries.